Paano ba tilo siya? Makanyan niya. That's the earth.
What is this? What is this for?
No, this is not the earth. Early earth. Luis, ito. Luis, so yung microscope.
Microscope. Rhinobeetle. Mommy, yung Mommy, let me try that.
Yeah, you try. You wait. You stay here.
Ay, ew. Parang hindi siya gumagana. Check the sky as well. Butterfly! No, naman na-just. Then, let me butterfly po. Wait. No, wait. Let me try scorpion, tarantula, and all.
Ito, you wait.
Let me just... There we go. Only 50 times. So, let me try.
Or this one, the butterfly. This one. Purple ko.
Wait, can I try my skin?
No, what is...
Try my skin. What did you say this one? Some kind of...
Malawin tayo. Ba't yung gagano? It's not working. Ito, Luis, ito. Look. Ito, itong butterfly. Oh.
Can I try?
Oh. Purple ko. Dapat bagya. Ito.
Let's try this. It's sticky. Let's try... No,
Pwede na ito. May masyadong kakayan. Maya.
Ano ka? Biko. Let's try that. Biko. Let's try biko. Let's try ang biko. Let's try ang biko.
Hindi pa ng flashlight eh. Iman dito.
Not magic. Let's go to
Oh, let's go to another one.
this time. What answer?
Kenny.
Is a platform.
Kenny.
Optical, here we are. Look, a snake.
Yeah.
That's scary. That we get a picture.
Oh, Luis, Kenny.
It's like this BB and BB. What's the difference?
Billy. Play. Oh. What lip type will you a child get?
Look at my lip. Look at my lip. Look at my lip.
Oh.
What's the code? My boy.
Okay.
Incorrect.
Back to the game. Oh, how to play?
How to play?
Guess your task is this. Okay.
For example, what? Which time? The mom. Look, the ball.
Correct. Oh, you're correct.
Dimple.
Dimples. Wow. Play more.
No dimple sana.
What lip type will you get? Ay, tayo mo. Ay, nakikita na mo. Luis, oh. Luis, oh. Luis, 1 a.m. That's the time.
That whole thing, that white thing, that's what your brain looks like. Your brain looks like baby.
Mama, go to the end. Come here. Go somewhere, mommy. Let's go.
Mag-picture ka lipanan. Small warping. Adenine pairs with thymine and thymine also sells. I don't know what. True.
No, two. This one.
Wrong. It's wrong. I said, what to know why? Eh, dapat.
Ah, no.
Human DNA is located primarily in the nucleus of. True. Yeah. Good na yun.
You want to know why?
You said next. Go to the next question.
You can find DNA in the
Yes,
cell.
yes, true.
Where? Here, Erin, come here.
What else? Wait, one of these difference. Right? True.
Huh?
Ay, wrong.
That's wrong. Yeah.
Next. No.
This not. Wait, let's go next instead. We got it wrong. What is this?
The field of genetics was founded by... No, false. Ay, ala, namayari na. True. Ay, false. Okay, Tana. What is this?
What's this?
Wow! Ay, you can see that. You can see
Let
the
me see.
the green one.
Just like in Attack on Titan.
The blue one. I will picture you. You. O, tara na. Ay, tapos ka lang tani, Papa. Go, let's go. Come here. Luis. Lucia. You want to see the first human? Ay, tawag the first human. Caveman. They are the caveman.
Then what's this?
Yeah, the caveman.
Then what's that? White.
Let's go now. Tayo go to the jar.
What's this? What's this?
Hey. Ay, wow. Sound of the storm. Snow.
Space!
Ayan, forest sound. How about this one? How about this one? Raining.
You can go with that.
Fire. Forest fire.
What's this?
Nothing. Sirayo. Tara.
No, this clip the sound of trees.
Hey. Bad weather. Thunderstorm.
Good on one.
The two distinct current systems in the ocean for surface circulation proves that this upper layer
Ay, tayo.
Look, it's the overcome.
Ay, tayo, Luis. Uy, astronaut Lucio. Ay, tayo, tang picture mo.
Meron kayo no
You're
original.
going dead. I'm not going dead.
Would you believe it has polar ice caps? The planet Mars is so interesting because of the many things it has in common with our planet Earth.
Wow.
Would you believe it has polar ice caps, volcanoes, and weather patterns that you can more or less predict? The most curious thing about this reddish planet is whether or not life exists.
Oh, ito na. You go inside na. Ken.
Push the button. Help.
Labi ko ah. Wah, pinamiyak ko pa na nagkimak.
What? That was nothing.
Yapin mo yun eh. O, ay, ali, ate nga pa pala babo. Ay, may balik na ano. Tara.
Polos. The polos. And all of them. Who we are.
O, go, go.
Who we are. 2, 3, go. Oh. It's just the duck.
Kaya tayo papa mo. Baka 9 ngayon.
And this is
Wala akong paper.
Awan eh.
Gawa the little game. Mommy, just go there.
Oh, I will be through you, Risha.
I think of a whole another world. I think it's because the ocean has so many unexplored fishes, so many unexplored species and areas that we have yet to discover.
Matawagin niyang games tawa, Luis, ha? Luis, ikaw. Ito ay, you touch them or they're may ako na lang.
Ay, tao, niluwal niya.
Luis, Luis, ito itang kinolor mo. Luis!
This is color wine because I'll help you. No, wait,
You will scan your drawing there.
And you scan it.
Oh, you draw. Oh, you scan this. Luis, the show, you scan this. The show.
That's the
Scan. Again. It looks like a trash can. I can fix Tana, don't worry. Oh. Go na.
Pwede ni.
Oh. We will put them on the screen. Oh, ita, beme ka no kala shot. Beme ka no shot. Patalan me ka no show yung manal no. Ita, go.
Mabuburayo ka lang may kinlalang.
Talan me kin lala, ita.
Now you see the country.
Ita. Ita. Wow. Ita naman kang pa.
Loko mo niya kayo yan. Loko mo kayo.
Koy naman. Illusion naman.
Butcher.
You wait, you wait.
Sunsay.
Gandang sa... Ita.
Italo siya oh.
Luis, ayan oh. The green turtle. Galing na. Pinawili.
I want to make my own color. I want to make it like that. Mommy, I want to make it the big one.
Pwede na yun. Ay, tayo the orange. Benya ka na.
That doesn't work. I'm using it. I'm using this body.
Wait. Ala pa. Basta, go. Yan. Ay, tayo. Ay, tayo. Wait. Wait, oh. And then you run to your gadget. Ayan. Yeah.